Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the update KB5085516 error. First, open settings on your PC. Now from the left side, click on System, then click on Windows Update. Here, try installing the update KB5085516 again. While you're on this page, click on Advanced Options and check Optional Updates and Recovery to make sure there are no pending updates causing the error. Next, go back to your desktop and press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp and click OK. A folder will open. Select all the files and delete them. If some files can't be deleted, just skip those. After that, open Run again, type %temp% and press OK. This will open another temporary folder. Delete all the files here as well to clear the system cache. Now, to refresh your network connection, you can briefly turn on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Next, open Google Chrome or any browser you use. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. After that, go to Settings. Then, open Privacy and Security and click on Delete Browsing Data. Select Browsing History, Cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then click on Delete Data. After that, go back and restart your PC. This helps apply all the changes properly. Finally, once your system turns back on, go to Windows Update and try installing the update again. The error should now be resolved. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.